What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. We're back on the BMW. We're finally just got some goodies. Christmas came early this year. So let's take a closer look and see exactly what we got right now. As you guys remember, we rebuilt this BMW and installed MTech kit. So we're gonna get rid of those wheels. We're gonna paint the calipers blue and get rid of this chrome on around the windows and up here. And for the final, we're gonna change the exhaust tips to black ones, and it's gonna look really nice. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, and get this thing going. I'm excited. It's gonna look very, very nice. I finally got my wheels for the X5 and they look very, very nice. Check this out, man, that look nice. Woo. And look at that dip dish. And then it says LNC on the wheels. So first LNC custom made wheels. They look really nice. I'm excited to install them. So let's take them to the tire shop. I got brand new Michelin tires. And here's brand new set of Michelins, 295, 35, 21, and then for the rear, 325, 30, 21. Woo! Just got the BMW inside of the shop, so we'll start with front doors. In order to remove the moldings, I gotta remove the mirror. And to remove the mirror, I gotta remove the door panel. So gloss black gonna be very, very nice. I like it. I decided to start with the back, that's the easiest, and then we'll do the front. Front, you gotta take the panel off, man. Always gotta make me work hard. So now we'll jump on this side and do the same thing. See, all of those just pop out, and then this one just gets stuck between the mirror. Sucks. Boom. All the moldings removed, so next we're gonna start painting the calipers. And I already installed the wheels, just wanted to see what they look like, and man, it looks amazing. So as you guys could see, this doesn't look too good, so I want to paint this black, and then the caliper is gonna be blue.
rim calipers. Woo! That looks really clean.
All the moldings got painted last night, so we're ready to start installing them, and they came out really good. It's gonna look fantastic, very nice. So let's start installing them. Just put the BMW completely together, and man, what a transformation. I love it. So now we could pull the car out, give it a nice wash detail, and then after that we'll do some more cinematic shots of this beauty. BMW is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Wow, came out beautiful, better than I expected. Mean looking machine. Let's take a closer look and see exactly what this car looks like. Check out this beautiful, mean looking machine, and man, I love the color combination, charcoal gray with black accents. It looks incredible. We also tinted all the windows, including the windshield. I got 21-inch glass black wheels. I did blue calipers, blacked out all the trim, glass black, including the roof molding. Name in the back, we got 325, 30, 21, and 295, 35, 21 in the front. And then for the final, I got black exhaust tips with little carbon fiber. It looks a lot better instead of the chrome. So this is the final look of this beautiful car. Came out very nice. It looks like nothing ever happened. So I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this whole entire rebuild. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!